Hello everyone! Today we'll show you how to compress video to reduce video size on Mac with UniConverter 13. Step 1. Launch Wondershare UniConverter. If you don't have UniConverter, you can click the link below. Go to Video Compressor. Step 2. Add videos to be compressed. Click Add Files or Drag Files to import the videos that you want to convert. Step 3. Select file size and other parameters. Click on the settings icon. Move the slider to select the desired size and the quality. You can also change the format and the resolution. Click the OK button to confirm the settings. Step 4. Compress video. Choose the file location. Click Compress or Start All to compress all videos. Step 4. You can find compressed videos on the Finish tab. Have you found this tutorial helpful? Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try Wondershare UniConverter for free. Or comment to tell us what you'd like to know next.